and D- just for appearing.
Na labda pengine Trevor, kama kabla kuingilia Faith, kuna swala moja utalizungumza kwa lugha ambayo itakuwa ni rais kwako. Serikali iliingia wakati wa kuna kipindi kigumu sana, ilipata hali haikuwa nzuri ya kiuchumi. Ukiangalia mwaka mmoja ambao ameweza kumaliza, tunapaswa kuweza kuwapa kongole kwa zile juhudi ambazo wameweka, ama tupaswe kuweza kuwapa kongole kwa juhudi ambazo wameweka za kuhakikisha kwamba gharama ya maisha imeshuka?
So thank you. Now, when you look at 1 year since the president took on the reins, I can say that his inaugural speech was quite encouraging. He mentioned sectors that he's going to work on, particularly cooperative, SMEs, the healthcare center, particularly revamping NHIF and the likes, ensuring affordable housing. But sadly, I would say I cannot congratulate this current government as is, because the Law Society is part and parcel of the petitioners that were in court this morning, particularly on the finance bill. So there are challenges, and the weight on the people is quite heavy. And so we ask ourselves, is the government weighing based on IMF requirements, or looking at how can they jumpstart this economy? How can they ensure that there is access to credit to more people, that even the driver or the Uber rider can be able to afford to take loans to take on Uber driving? You see, more and more people are going into informal sectors to supplement their other formal work, because you cannot afford the current cost of living. We're having situations where people who live on their own are now opening, sharing spaces so that they can have B&Bs within their own living spaces. So this shows that the economy is not doing well.
So how do you rate the government's performance in terms of cost of living?
For myself, unfortunately, I'd rate 30%.
So 30%, that's close to an E, also D-. Let me bring in Diana Geshengo really fast there. Diana, they say there's a plan, at least when